up, guys? Got the Exocet running. About to go check out the Supercar Saturday. I'm running pretty late, so I think it might not be as packed as it normally is, but there'll still be some people there. And yeah, we'll go see what's over there. Now it's later in the day, and I'm about to go check out the Blair cruise night. So it's basically just a bunch of cars that are cruising up and down the street, and I've never been to that one, so we're gonna go check it out. And I'm out at this fucking Blair cruise night, and of course, the Exocet is overheating. It's yeah, stop and go traffic the whole time. You're moving at like fucking 5 miles an hour. So I've been sitting in the gas station for a while, just watching the cars go by, you know, as you do. Well, that's gonna be it for this one. I went to Supercar Saturday. I went to the cruise night. Yeah, I've been all over the place. Didn't get to race anybody, unfortunately, but got a lot of driving in the car. The weather's been fantastic, so I really can't complain. And it did really good. Other than it was running really warm in traffic, which it's always done that. Like I've got 3 fans in this radiator. It's just not enough. And yeah, it does great on the racetrack. As long as I'm moving, it's fine. Like oil temps will be good. Coolant temp will be good. I can be out there running all fucking day. But yeah, as far as yeah, coolant temps when I'm stopped, not the best. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So if you guys want to keep seeing more stuff from me, make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the things, and peace out.